Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to do this spiral art using only 3 things. All you'll need is a website, your vinyl cutting machine, and some vinyl. It is so easy, so amazing, and it's a great personalized gift that you can make with your vinyl cutting machine. So let's go ahead and get on into the tutorial. Okay, so you're going to start off at spiralbetty.com, and then here you're going to hit upload image. So then you're going to select a photo that you want, and they say to pick something with a simple background, something not too busy. So I'm going to do this photo of my daughters, and then here you can zoom in or out depending on the way you want your picture to be. Okay, once you have the picture the way you want it, you just hit your check mark. Okay, and then from here, at the bottom you can pick a color, but for my example, I'm gonna be doing this with vinyl, so I'm just gonna keep it at black. And then right here for your rings, the higher you go, the more detailed it'll be, but also the thinner the lines will be. So it'll be a little bit harder to cut for vinyl. And then the lower you go here, the thicker the lines will be, but you cannot tell what your picture is. So find somewhere, good within the middle to the higher end, whatever you think will work for your machine. I'm not gonna go as high as possible because those lines will probably be too thin for my machine to cut. So I'm just gonna pick somewhere that I feel would be good. Okay, that looks probably good. And then from here on out, you can do your scale, so zooming in or out, your lightness, so you can go brighter, and then here in the contrast, you can go where you want, but I'm just gonna keep the photo the way that it is. Okay, and then when you're happy with everything, you just hit this download button right here. So something they just came out with, which is really cool, is it used to only be JPEG, but now they have it to where you can save it as a PNG, which will make it a cuttable file for you. So make sure you select PNG, and then white transparent background is checked. And then when you're ready, you just hit download. Okay, now you open up Silhouette Studio or Cricut, and then you go to File, Merge, and then you're gonna select the photo that you just saved. So as you can see now, it is transparent, which makes it able to be cut on Silhouette. And then you're going to resize it to whatever size that you're wanting to cut. And as you can see, what's really cool about this is the lines are thicker around your photo, so you can kind of get a view of what your picture can look like. So that's really cool. All right, so I'm going to be putting this on a 12 by 12 sign. So I'm just going to size this down to about 11 by 11. Right, when you have it where you want it, you're just going to go to send, and then here you're going to make sure you have it selected to cut. And as it looks like it's cutting the whole thing, but if you zoom in, you're able to see that it is going to cut all of the lines. They're just kind of thin, so hopefully the machine will cut it. And then I'm going to just make sure all your settings are set to your regular adhesive vinyl settings. My blade is a little bit dull, so I always put it at 2, and then the force at a 14. And everything's good to go. So let's go ahead and head on to the machine and get that cut. All right, so we're gonna be using Starcraft vinyl today, and all I have is the black and gloss. So I'm gonna be using a sheet of 12 by 12 in Starcraft HD. All right, so let's get this loaded up onto the machine. Wow, so it turned out even better than I thought it would. How neat is that? So now I'm gonna put some transfer tape on it and we're gonna get it on the sign. But look how cool. That was one of the funnest projects that I have made in a long time. You know, to be able to make something like this for free with your Cricut or Silhouette is so amazing. And yeah, I really enjoyed it and I can't wait to make more with this. I had to hop on the trend and it was even better than I expected. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.